This is the all-new Skoda Fabia. It's a bit like the band Coldplay. Anyway, they got their start in the early noughties. Was it the late 90s? Not sure really, but they're around the same time, and they're still proving to be popular today. So why don't we go on to the boot first? And as you can see, it's very big for its glass, which is nice. And one thing I want to show you is the adjustable boot floor, just like that. Where should we go? I think I'll show you. Here you go. Here are the back seats. I guess reasonable leg room. I'm 5'5", and good amount of space. I like it. Big aircon back here, which is nice. Electric windows as well. Here you go. When I take you around to the front. Now, obviously the interior is quite a bit nicer than the standard one. Okay, since it's the range top in Monte Carlo, it's you've got some red, carbon effect here, got a little red stripe here, and some ambient lighting as well, which is nice. And just in case you forget what model it is, it says right here. And the seats hold you in really nicely, actually, because it's meant to be the sportier one. 3-spoke heated steering wheel, which is part of the winter package, if you're wondering. I think it also includes heated seats, heated windscreen, and stuff like that. But still, the steering wheel is very nice to hold. Aluminium pedals, lovely. And then I also love this little bit as well, which is very nice, very red. More carbon effect here. It's quite soft actually. And probably my favourite feature. The umbrella in the door. Now, in terms of the engines, it's very simple. You can get a 1 litre MPI with 80 horsepower, which is not great. Then you can also get a 1 litre TSI with 95 horsepower. Then you can also get a another 1 litre TSI, this time with 110 horsepower. Which is a perfect. Yeah, personally, I'd probably get that. And then there's also a 1.5 TSI of 150 horsepower, which this one has. And we have let's see Monte Carlo right here. There's 17-inch rims. There's also your black part, your black grille, very nice. LEDs, very clean, very smart design. Which, Fabia has always been. It's been a very smart-looking, car, really. I love it. Sport bumpers. Yeah. Black. Yeah, you get the point.
Yeah.
Welcome to the car, everyone. Let's take a wheel drive now. So why did you decide to buy this?
Because I wanted a small car, but with the same benefits I had in the Comique.
This had the same engine as the Comique, didn't it?
It is the same engine, same gearbox, same size boot. As floor area.
Yeah.
Yep.
When did you buy this?
In November.
Not too long ago then.
No.
Okay. If you don't mind me asking, how much did this cost?
24, I think.
Not bad.
No. Because there was a deal on at the time, a November deal, £1,000 off. And they had it in the showroom.
Yeah.
So I had it as it was with the extras that were on there. So I didn't choose the extras; they were there.
Is this nice to drive?
It is a lot easier to drive than the Comique, I think.
Yeah.
And has benefits over the Comique. It has a heated steering wheel.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a winter pack, so it's got heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, which is quite unusual, which was good yesterday when it was frozen. Heated seats.
Yeah, speaking of seats, yeah, I think the seats are really nice actually.
They are very comfortable, aren't they? Very supportive. And also, it's when you get in the dark, it's got LED white lights inside and a red strip there.
Yeah.
So it's quite welcoming.
Wait, Charlie, can you change the colour of the ambient lights?
Pardon?
Can you change the colour of the ambient lights? Because I'm assuming you can.
You can, but I like red.
Yeah, it suits the car more.
It does, yes. The other thing it has is the sat nav, which is connected to the Apple Play on your phone, rather than a sat nav integral in the car, which is a lot easier to use, I find.
Yeah. Oh yes, and I also like the carbon effect on the dash right here.
Mm. And it has a flattened part of the steering wheel.
Yeah.
So you can drive with your knees. No, I was just joking. There's a very clear dash here. You can change the information it gives you. And it's very quiet on the motorway.
What's the average MPG?
Well, from going from home to Bridport, it's 55, which I think is excellent.
Yes.
It has a height adjustable boot, which is very, very simple to use. It has LED rear lights.
Yeah.
Let's go here a minute.
I'm assuming that's where you got it from.
That is correct, yes. Yeah. We just walked into the showroom.
Yeah.
Said what we were looking for. The size, the engine, gearbox, something that had a rear view mirror and camera, and he said, well, this is the one you want.
Yeah.
And I like the colour.
Yeah, stands out.
Yeah. And little things like this seem very nice.
Yeah.
Little detailing, which when you look around the outside, you'll be able to see in more detail.
What's your favourite feature on this car?
Heated steering wheel.
Yeah.
At this time of the year, it's very good.
Yeah.
Which I didn't expect until I used it once.
Yeah. Winter package.
Winter package, yeah.
what my favourite feature in this car is?
Go on then.
Umbrella in the door.
Oh yes, I forgot that. That's because I'm so used to having those
Yeah.
that it's uppermost in my mind.
Yeah. Well, I'm not really having both, if I'm honest. It's very nice. Yeah, I honestly love how it goes over bumps.
So turning and having this flat part of the steering wheel does help.
Yeah. And I mean, I love how it's got actual physical buttons. So those things, on the like I don't know, like a golf or something. Well, that's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.